Hi, my name's Justin Nifong and welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. Now don't worry if you don't know anything about building websites. I'm going to go step by step from the beginning, so even if you've never done anything with websites before, you will be able to follow along. Here, I just wanted to take a moment and show you our end result, what we're going to have when we get done. So we have a nice title bar up here, everything is clean, several pages but not too many. A nice interest catcher up here, we can scroll down. A call to action button and our links to our social medias. And then we have an about page, a contact page, and then we have our shop. Now here I only have a couple products, but I'm going to show you how to add as many products as you want, as well as make categories so you can categorize your t-shirts or your phones or whatever else you're selling. And if I click here, I will be showing you how to add variations to your products so that if you are selling a t-shirt or something with sizes or flavors, you can pick which one you would like. Let's get into building our site with WordPress.